Okay, so this is my bike check, and I'm riding a Stranger Crunks frame, kink human bars with Devon Smiley fly grips, which are super soft, like crazy soft. I've got a BSD fork, I don't know which one. I ride the Stevie Churchill 2.35, I think. Yeah, 2.30 actually. And then they are the blue and black painted ones. And then my front wheel, I've got a G-Sport roll cage laced to an N4 FL, and it is a oil slick hub. Looks pretty sick. I've got demolition pegs, and then one shadow in the back. My stem is an animal stem. I've got a demolition pucker seat, pretty soft. A Sunday Knox sprocket 25 tooth. Salt Plus AM cranks. And then my back wheel, I've got a G-Sport roll cage laced to a Colony Wasp that is oil slick with a shadow cable holder as a cleaner. And then shadow half link, shadow seat post. That's about it. So thanks for watching my bike check. Colony Wasp sound check and review. So it has a super good drive system on it, which, like, I can't even explain it. I just have to show you. Like, that's just one pedal. Here's two. You can see it sounds pretty good. Here's three cranks. 1, 2, 3. And then just pretty good hub, I'd say buy it.